What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm kind of whispering because it is super echoey in here and I don't know if you can hear me in the hallway. And I don't want my neighbors to think I'm a freak. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the empty apartment tour of Jersey City. I officially got the keys today. So I wanted to do a little empty apartment tour for you guys because I love watching these on YouTube, and I know you guys would too, and like I'm always fascinated by the different layouts of people's apartments and like the different aspects. So I just wanted to give this video a quick intro before we get started. Say that my name is Hannah. I don't know if I said that. If you're new around here, you should stick around, subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started with the tour. All right, so when you first walk in the front door, you have like this little entryway area. I think it's kind of unique because we have, I'm pretty sure this building used to be like an old factory of some sort, so we have like very unique features in the apartment, as you'll see. But I think we're gonna put like an entryway table here or like a shoe rack or something. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. And then straight ahead, if you're walking this way, we'll start with the bedroom. This is the bedroom. We have like barn doors. Sorry, that is so loud, I was not aware. We have barn doors for the door for the bedroom, and this is the only door in the apartment besides the bathroom door, so that's interesting. I don't love the red, but we're just gonna have to work with it because it's too much work to like paint and then have to paint back. So going into the bedroom, this is what the bedroom looks like, and it's pretty spacious in here. We already bought a bed to go in here, so hopefully it fits. I think that this room would literally fit a king, but we bought a queen, and there'll still be space for 2 nightstands, which is really nice. There aren't floor to ceiling walls in here. The walls are kind of open, so that's interesting, but we're just gonna make it work. There's also a fan. I wasn't aware that there'd be a fan, so I kind of like that. Then we have the closet. This is the only closet in the entire apartment. It was just something that we had to give up for the space. So it's actually a decent size. It's bigger than the one we originally saw, like the unit that we saw that was similar to this layout. We never actually saw this apartment until today, so the closet is like a decent size. For 2 people, we're definitely gonna have to figure out some sort of situation, but it's not bad. I would say it's like the size of my closet in my current apartment in Manhattan. And then you walk into the bathroom, there's the toilet, there's the sink, it's a good sized sink, mirror, we have the bathtub, and then this closet leads to the washer dryer. I think we're gonna try to figure out some sort of storage situation up here, but this is really nice. I am literally so excited to have a washer dryer in unit. You guys have no idea. This is the bedroom, and then if you walk out of the bedroom, this is what it looks like from this angle. You walk to the left is the living room, but we're gonna walk into the den, which is gonna be our office. And this is the office space. It is pretty big. It's made of entirely brick, so very industrial feel to it. We have only 1 window in here. I'm kind of nervous about it being super dark, but I mean, it's a unique space and I feel like it's a good space for an office. So this is what it looks like from this angle. You guys can get a good feel for it. The ceilings are nice and funky. Don't ask me what any of those pipes do, but I'm terrified if any of them ever burst. We're not gonna put that into the universe. Then you walk out of the den and you have the kitchen. Ignore all of my stuff on the counter and the tape measure on the floor because I'm trying to measure for a couch. But this is the living room space, and then we have the kitchen. We're supposed to have an island, but when I walked in today, there wasn't one in here, so we're gonna try to get an island, but it essentially would just match the cabinets and the stainless steel. I'm pretty sure it's gray and white. So that'll go in the middle of the floor over here, so just picture that. But this is the kitchen, the living room, the whole situation. And this is what the ceiling looks like. It has like a very industrial, woodsy feel to it. Now that I'm seeing it on camera, I feel like the space gets like decent natural light. I was a little nervous about the natural light situation since the brick is kind of dark and the ceiling is kind of dark, but I think it looks pretty good. We have a lot of cabinet space. We have all of this, and we have all down here. We have a dishwasher, a full-size oven, which is really nice, and then a huge fridge. We actually have a full-size fridge, which is kind of unheard of in New York. I know this is New Jersey, but still, like, my fridge is half the size of this in Manhattan. So I'm excited for a full-size fridge with a full-size freezer. And oh, we also have an ice maker. I didn't even know that. That is so nice. So I can get rid of my little ice cube trays. And I just literally broke this, so hold on. We're gonna cut the camera. All right, I fixed that. This is what the inside of the fridge looks like. Huge, we love. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that is it. Quick little tour, but it'll be a unique spot. We'll see how we feel after a year. As I've mentioned, I'm just like really excited for a new space and kind of like a fresh little start. Not that me moving to Jersey is like gonna be like a full-on fresh start, but I'm excited to like create content here, make my own little house here with John, and like get furniture. I'm literally so excited to have a couch. I went to West Elm this morning, which you guys will see in a different vlog, but I went to West Elm and was already looking at couches, and I'm pretty sure if I have time today, I'm gonna go back, either that or I'm gonna go tomorrow and like fully pick out a couch and purchase it, because it's Labor Day weekend. So we have a lot of Labor Day sales going on in New York, and a lot of stores, I think also online too. I don't know why I just said New York, but that is like my one mission this weekend, is to find like the core furniture pieces on sale. So that is it for my Jersey City apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited to start filming content here and take you guys through my life in Jersey City. I think it's gonna be a little different than my life in Manhattan, because one, I'm in a bigger space, two, I'm in like a different part of New York. Not even New York, New Jersey. I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you're new. Stick around for the vlogs, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.